What are you doing?
We are getting ready for our school camping trip.
We're trying to pack everything we need. Can you help us, Rollo?
Of course. Make sure you pack a torch, a map, a raincoat.
Slow down! You're going too fast.
Cody, look at the mess you're making.
Oh.
Is that everything, Rollo?
Nearly. The last thing is your sleeping bags.
What's the matter, Cody?
I'm trying to get my sleeping bag in my rucksack.
Okay, are you all ready?
Cody, is your sleeping bag in your rucksack with everything?
No, but everything is in my sleeping bag. Look!